Everybody, it's Big Mike. Grab a cup of coffee. Let's get started, guys. Today, I want to start talking about communications. COVID made us distribute, go home. We do a lot of chatting, a lot of communications through text messages, through team chats, etc. And a lot like a lesson we learned a long time ago with email, you really need to be careful with the tone that you have. So I work every day with a very close-knit team, very tight group of people. And it's important to not misinterpret whatever people are saying there, right? So you want to make sure always to be paying attention to the tone in the conversation, being very specific with what you got to have. And if you ever think there's any confusion, please pick up the phone and clarify that immediately. It's really easy for there to become a situation that will fester and wreck your team while they're dealing with all the other stresses going on with situations like COVID, etc. All right. Hope you guys find this helpful. Have a great Monday. Get a great start to your week, guys. I'll see you out there.